Not ready for the full MathWorks verification stack on day one? That's completely fine. You can improve as you're ready. MathWorks tools are built for serious scale. But what if you're just two developers tackling your very first ISO project? We actually call this reality function development. It's where one developer owns everything from start to finish. The workflow? Pretty straightforward. Own the unit requirements, build the model, write the tests, and finally generate the code. This lean, foundational stage is exactly why unit-level tools like EverCheck and EverTest were actually built in the first place. Both tools operate strictly at the unit level for Simulink, Stateflow, and TargetLink. It's a deliberate scope, not a limitation. Take EverCheck. It pulls essential static verification rules directly from standards like MAB, NASA, MISRA, and ISO 26262. It runs just 68 highly targeted static checks. That keeps your small team's workflow incredibly fast and streamlined. Exactly 3/4 of those are mandatory. Even better, most of those violations can literally be fixed with one click. Then there's EverTest. This brings powerful dynamic verification as a fully recognized MATLAB toolbox in their connections program. You get a super simple GUI, an API for test automation, plus full support for MIL, SIL, and PIL testing. Need auditor approval? It generates single, self-contained HTML reports that cover ASIL levels all the way up to D. Plus, it ships with TCL3 qualification kits, packing the exact safety manuals and validation test suites you'll need. Here's the honest scope. Once you hit the integration level, the broader MathWorks stack seamlessly takes over. The goal? Do real verification fast at the unit level, prove the ROI, then scale up when demanded. We weren't built to replace anything. We simply exist to get small teams safely onto the compliance ladder. Want to see this lean function development workflow in action? Just head over to everbits.com/workflow. So let's wrap this explainer up. Where do your small teams get stuck before they're ready to scale up?